weather that we had the other day, apparently. Tank top, thong, and here we are. So, a little cool this morning, but I will take that over the heat and the rain any day of the week and the cold. Should finish up our Cheer Waterfall weekend here in Miami in fine style. Tons of competition going on all day long. We're going to end the day right here on the bay with a massive workout. This is Waterfall on the Bay, presented by Assault Fitness. Teams, 1 minute, 60 seconds. Seconds. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. All right, folks, here we go. Off and moving. This is it. Week number 4 intermediate teams. Kicking the big, if you will. You see the workout there on the big jumbotron for you. Cheer Waterfall. More time. Each athlete will complete 3 rounds. Waterfall style of 15 calories on the ankle bike, 8 kettlebell box step overs. And then 12 double kettlebell hang snatches. 3 rounds of that, folks. 3 rounds. You see our lead athletes, very different strategies all down the line. As long as they get the work done, that's all that matters. This is your lead-off athlete, so they will complete 1 round of the prescribed work. You see our 5 ladies stepping up on those double kettlebell hang snatches. The rest of you will join them shortly. So this is athlete 1 of round 1. Each athlete will complete a full round of work, and then they'll go back to the top of the landing order, if you will. Waterfall style start, as we say. So one athlete comes off the line and moves over to the kettlebell box step over. Another athlete may begin on the bike on their 15 calories. creeping up on 2 minutes. 2 minutes in, guys and girls. 2 minutes in, guys and girls. 15-minute time gap in place. Again, if you guys are just joining us, welcome to Waterfall. This is the Bayside stage. This event presented by Assault Fitness. By and large, down the line, athlete twos are finishing up their round one. And we'll be moving on to athlete three in each of our teams. Guess I should tell you who's in this heat. I did over missing my duties there. Lane number one, all-level CrossFit. Lane number two, Team Quadzilla. Lane number three, CrossFit Breakthrough. Candices Young does in lane number four. Powered by Coffee in lane number five. CrossFit Southie, lane number six. Team NutriPure, lane number seven. Man-made, KT X-Fit, lane number 8. Peninsula LifeTree, lane number 9. Union Strong in lane number 10. Deca CrossFit, lane number 11. CFB Breakfast Girls, lane number 12. NAPB in lane number 13. Running better than the government, lane number 14. Got my other shirt, best team name. And Ninja Creepies in lane number 15. Lane number one, athlete two, shipping away at. Lane number two, athlete three, midway through. Correction, that's going to be athlete one on round two. Off to the double kettlebell snatches. Same story in lane number three for CrossFit Breakthrough. Lane number four, save all these athletes keeping it pretty darn too close. Powered by Coffee, looking to close up their lead athlete on round number two. Lane number six, CrossFit Southie. Looks like athlete two looking to finish up for round two. And again, each athlete completing a full round as we approach 5 minutes on the clock. CrossFit Southie wrapping up athlete two, starting with athlete three on round two. I'm sure you guys are tracking on what I'm putting out there. It's going to be the same story in lane number 7 for Team NutriPure. They've wrapped up athlete two, starting on athlete three on their box step overs. Lane number 8, man-made. Starting their kettlebell snatch, double kettlebell snatches around number 3. Step overs for athlete 3 in lane number 9. Peninsula LifeTree. Athlete 3 kicking off their step overs as well for Union Stronger in lane number 10. Lane number 11, Deca CrossFit. Last round. Gonna put athlete 3 to the test on round number 2 there for Deca. The Breakfast Girls in lane number 12. Same story, athlete 3 looking to finish up round number 2. In APB, same story, I'm sorry, different story. Athlete 1, round 3. About to finish her box step overs. We'll see her move to the double kettlebell swings. So they are on round number 3. Lane 14, running better than the government. Again, my favorite name of a team all weekend long. They have athlete won round 3 onto the double snatches as well. And Ninja Crazies all the way in the end down in lane number 15. Looking to finish up round number 2 as we pass 7 minutes and 15 seconds on the clock. Rapidly approaching our halfway point. So athlete 1 finishing up round number 3 for running better than the government. One of only a couple of teams in round number 3. Past the halfway point, coming up on 8 minutes. Get a 15-minute time cap in place. Man-made. Last athlete in the chute there in lane number 8 for man-made KTX fit. She will come off the bike, finishing her final calorie, catching her breath a little bit before she kicks off her kettlebell box step overs and get there right in the center of the action. Can anybody catch them? 8 minutes and 45 seconds elapsed. Minute time cap in place, creeping up on 9 minutes. Less than 6 minutes to go. We're gonna go keep a good eye on the ladies from man-made in lane number 8. Looks like she is rocking and rolling. 1 rep to go in lane number 8, and they will wrap it up just past the 9:15-ish mark. Time of 9:13.64 for the ladies from Man-Made KTX Fit. Great job, ladies. The ladies in lane number 6, CrossFit Southie. 9:19.9 their time. Outstanding job, ladies. Coming up on 10 minutes. Time of 9:42 in lane number 9 for Peninsula LifeTree. Great job also, ladies. NAPP with a time of 9:14. Running better than the government, 9:12. Woo! Awesome time.